Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are tackling a common Microsoft Word frustration, changing the margins on just one single page without messing up the rest of your document. Whether you are inserting a wide table, a large image, or a specific chart, this quick technique will save you time and keep your formatting intact. Let's dive in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and scroll down to the specific page where you want to adjust the margins. To make sure this only affects the content you want, highlight all the text on that specific page. A quick tip: if your page has no text yet, simply type a few placeholder words and highlight them. Next, navigate to the top ribbon and click on the Layout tab. On the left side of the Layout ribbon, click on Margins. Instead of choosing a standard preset, scroll down to the bottom of the drop-down menu and select Custom Margins. A page setup window will pop up. Here, you can type in your exact new margin sizes for the top, bottom, left, and right. Now, here is the most important step. Look at the bottom of that window for a drop-down menu labeled Apply To. By default, it might say Whole Document. Click it and change it to Selected Text. Once you have done that, click OK. Word will instantly apply your new margins to only the text you highlighted. It does this by automatically adding hidden section breaks before and after your selection to protect the rest of your document's formatting. And that is all there is to it: a clean single-page margin adjustment with zero formatting headaches. If this tutorial helped you streamline your workflow, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward professional guides. See you in the next one.